The 2015 East African Community Customs Union Rules of Origin came into force in January 2015, replacing the previous rules of origin that had been in force since January 2005. We are going to highlight the main highlights of the 2015 Rules of Origin. Meaning of sufficient working. When the product listed in the second column of Part 1 of the first schedule fulfills the corresponding criteria in the third column. There are two criteria Rule 4. 1. Wholly produced 4.1a as read with Rule 5. 2. Sufficient working of imported materials 4.1b as read with Rule 6. Steps in determination of origin of a product. 1. Get the harmonized commodity coding or tariff number of the product. 2. Ascertain the source of all raw material used to make it. 3. If all are wholly obtained, then the product is wholly obtained. 4. If not, check the second column of the Part 1 of the first schedule to locate the product as classified. 5. Once the product is found, check the corresponding applicable criteria for it on the third column. 6. Examine your product to establish whether it meets the criteria. 7. If criteria is met, then it originates and can be issued with a certificate of origin. Reading Part 1 of the first schedule. Step 1. Establish the tariff classification of the product to be exported. Step 2. Establish the applicable specific rule in column 3. If more than one alternate rule is provided in column 3, one has a choice of using any. Step 3. Where a product in column 2 is not tied to a specific rule in column 3, refer to the section dealing with the chapter or heading the product falls under.